All right, well, thank you very much for being here. As many of you know, April is Child Abuse Prevention Month nationwide. It's sad that we actually have to commemorate the victimization of children by giving them a month in which we have to tell everybody else don't do that. But that's the reality that we live with in this country. All these folks who are standing behind me are members of the Tulsa County District Attorney's Office and other county employees who've decided to make a statement today that we're going to bring focus to our desire to end child abuse. The only way we know how to do that is to visualize it. We're planting pinwheels in support of prevention of child abuse, because our goal is we never want to have to deal with any parent who's having to deal with a child who's been victimized, either by physical abuse, sexual abuse, or neglect. The reality is all of us got to live our dreams. Everyone back behind me has had the opportunity to reach their goals. And that ought to be a goal for any human being. And for children who are the most vulnerable, we need to make sure that that's a statement that our entire community and this entire state is going to stand behind. We know that child abuse leads to future problems. From adverse childhood experiences, we know it leads to alcohol abuse, drug abuse, mental illness. It can lead to other criminogenic behaviors. Today, we're going to celebrate the lives of children, and we want everybody in this community to recognize when you see these little pinwheels, remember you have a duty and an obligation. If you suspect that a child may be the victim of physical or sexual abuse, the law requires you to report that to the Department of Human Services or law enforcement. That's not going to get you in trouble. There are the experts. Let those people do the investigation. It's better for you to let somebody else look into it so that you don't have to carry that worry or that burden. Because the last thing we need to do is have a child who's living in an environment that they can't escape from, and the adults have the opportunity to do something about it and remove them from that. So on behalf of the Tulsa County DA's office and all the employees of Tulsa County who contribute to that, I'm very thankful for your willingness to be a part of this process. Thank you very much for being here.